Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I wanted to share with you and give you some tips and tricks on how you can decorate your wedding and make it look so lavish and extravagant with just using all fake flowers. So you do not want to miss out, guys. Please stay tuned towards the end of this video and so you can see the finishing results. Also, I want to tell you about our new giveaway. It's our fourth one, and we are giving away a new camera, a new Cricut machine, a heat press machine, and more to our contestants. If you want to be a part of our giveaway for a chance to win, go to elegantcreator.com/giveaway to apply. Let us know in the comment section if you have applied. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the Elegant Creators flowers that I am currently selling on my Elegant Creator store on Amazon. And this is how they look when they are nicely boxed up. And this is the different variety of colors that I have, as you can see right here. So the colors that I'm currently showing right now is the Dusty Rose, the Burgundy Roses, the Ivories, Royal Blue, and this is the teal color. Once you open it, you will see this beautiful card on the inside that says, "Thank you, beauty is what we do," on the card. Okay, every one of the boxes has a thank you card. And of course, if you turn it around, you will see all of my social media platforms on where you can follow the Elegant Creators brand right here. And you will also see these beautiful little leaves being added in them. Now, comment below in the comment section if you would like for me to add more leaves to the flower boxes. Usually, people don't really care for the leaves or use the leaves. However, I think the leaves are beautiful. So if you would like for me to add more leaves into my flower collection, just let me know. And I would definitely honor your request if I have enough requests to do so. And of course, for this wedding, the colors that I'm going to be using is the Dusty Rose and Ivory and Dusty Blue colors. Okay, now, as you can see, I'm also going to be using some eucalyptus greenery as well into my flower ball arrangement for this wedding. So the beautiful thing about these flowers is the fact that they are super versatile. You can use them for multiple types of flower arrangement or multiple DIY creations that you would like to do with them. I really love the fact that these beautiful foam roses will last you basically a lifetime if you take care of them properly and you store them properly and, you know, bins once you're done using them. Of course, you guys know with fresh flowers, once you're done using it, you have to toss them out. You can no longer use them anymore. With, you know, these beautiful flowers, you can use them for years. As you know, these flowers, they do come in boxes of 25 and they come in boxes of 50. So this is the Ivory colors, and this is also a box of 50. So it has two boxes of 25 inside. So I'm going to quickly do a demonstration on how I add these flowers into my flower ball and how they look. It will definitely give your flower ball that pop. This is my flower ball arrangement that I have here. And this is basically how the bottom part of my flower ball looks like. It's a pretty big flower ball. It's about 20 inches in diameter. And I've already added all of my eucalyptus in it, as you've seen before. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is show you guys how I add my beautiful foam roses. So what's in this arrangement? What type of flowers are in this arrangement? So you have hydrangeas, you have roses, you have these beautiful peony roses. Oh, this one came out. I'm just gonna stick it back in there. So you have these peony roses, and I think I mentioned the eucalyptus already. So this is the type of flowers that's in this design right here. And to hold the flowers, I basically just hot glue them onto this foam ball and I just stick them through. Quick tip that I want to share with you guys today is, like, let's say if you have multiple events and then you want to use you want to be able to reuse your flowers. What you can do is start off with like a base color, like a general base color that you know that you would use a lot. Like, for example, I know that I use white ivory or white hydrangeas a lot in my flower design. So what I do is I start off with like a base color that I know that I would typically use in every event. And then of course, if you want to add your greenery in there, you can do so as well. If not, you can choose to leave it without the greenery. Then you can start off with by using a different color for your theme. Like, let's say if you want to add some, you know, pink roses in them, or some red roses, or some, you know, about the color of the roses that I'm about to add right now. So start off with a base color, which is your all ivory colors or white colors of flowers. Add some greens if you want, and then you proceed on with the colors that you want your scheme to be for your event. Okay, I hope that made sense. Whenever you do have another event, you can just take out those colors that you used from your previous event. And let's say if you have an event that suggests for you to use burgundy flowers, so you take out those dusty rose colors or whatever colors you used from last event, and then use the new colors for the new event. So this is another way you can recycle and use every time for a different event. Okay, unless your client wants completely different flowers, then of course that is something different. However, if these colors and these flowers are something that you use often, then it's good to kind of already have them in stock, ready to go. So all you're doing is just adding those pop of colors for the type of event that you're having. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take one of the foam roses. This color right here is the dusty rose color. I really hope you guys can see this because I feel like my camera is a little bit too far back. So you may feel like sometimes the stem is a little bit too weak. However, the stem is actually not, depending on how you're using it. And the stem can go through any foam that you're using. It's just how you're using it, okay? That's key right there. So now you can choose to cut your stem down, or you can just leave your stem as is. If you do not want to cut the stems, another little trick you can use is by bending your stems like this. You take your stem and then you bend it like this to the, you know, to the size and length that you would like for your rose to be, and then you just stick it through your foam. Now you may feel like, will it stick to the foam? Yes, it definitely will stick to the foam. Since these flowers are flowers that you would always want to change out, you do not have to glue those flowers down. All you need to do is just stick them through the foam and then you're done. Okay, so I have this flower right here. So what I just did, you see, I just cut out one of the stems. I will show you again. And I just stick it wherever I feel like needs the flower. You don't necessarily have to, you know, arrange it in a particular way. You go based on your taste, how you like to arrange your flowers. I feel like at times, there's really no right way or wrong way to arrange flowers. It's really based on what you feel looks nice to you. Of course, you know, over time, practice makes perfect, but, you know, don't be too hard on yourself when you're just starting out. So as you can see, I'm just cutting the stem with my floral wire here. It's very easy to come off. I'm just gonna take about maybe 2 inches off, cut it off, and then just stick it through my foam. And it's really just that easy, guys. So I don't know if you can see it right here. I like when my foam roses pop out a little bit. Okay, now I'm almost done with my flower ball arrangement, just look at the big difference that it makes by just adding those beautiful dusty roses into your flower arrangement. Now, the size of this flower ball is about 60 inches in diameter, so it's a pretty big size flower ball. When you get a bigger flower ball, of course, it's gonna recommend for you to have lots and lots of more flowers. So definitely that's something to keep in mind. Not quite done yet. I'm about to go ahead and add the dusty blue colors so I can finish off with my arrangement. And then the good thing too about those beautiful roses, the foam roses, you can also use them with fresh flowers. So next, I'm going to be using these flowers as well. So these flowers, I'm going to be using it for the pews, to add to the pews. So you've seen that I've showcased these flowers multiple times on my channel on how you can go about doing them. You can choose to decorate your pews with a ribbon, or you can decorate it with a draping, like you know those chiffon drapings you could use for the back of your Chivalry chairs. You can also use these as well. Like let's say if you do not, or you on a time crunch, you want to save, you can use these ribbons from Dollar Tree. So this ribbon, I believe, is perfect for if you're having like a rustic wedding. You do this beautiful flower arrangement. So what you're gonna go do is to stick it to it, to have it stay on. It's really simple to do. Just use like a floor wire that you have, and then you tie it onto your flower arrangement, just like that. So now I have my ribbon tied onto my flower arrangement. You can also use a pew clip, I believe it's called. You can purchase it off on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below to clip it onto the pews. Now, depending on the type of design of the pew, that matters also. So let's say if you cannot use the pew clip, what you can do is buy a really long zip tie, and you can zip tie your flower arrangement onto the pew. And that's really how I did it with the chiffon draping. And it looked absolutely stunning for the wedding ceremony decoration. Really captured so much of the behind the scene like I would usually do, because you know we had a lot we had to do that day, especially with putting the backdrop together. Now, quick little thing I want to mention in regards to the backdrop that I am going to be showing you on this video, the circle ring backdrop. This circle backdrop, you have to buy the correct panel for it, and then you wrap it around the circle backdrop, and then you zip tie it on. So I didn't really show how you do that, but it's really easy to do. In this clip right here, I just quickly wanted to show you how the flower panels look when they are not on the circle backdrop. These flower panels was the exact one I used on the circle ring for the wedding ceremony. The measurement, I believe, is about 27 by 19, and they are super versatile. You can use them for multiple different projects. Also, let me know too in the comment section if you guys would like for me to show you guys like a behind the scene on how I, go about, starting up a business and, and having my own product on Amazon. This is definitely something I'll be more than happy to share with you guys if I get a good amount of you guys, who let me know or reach out to me. I'll be happy to share that with you guys if this is the type of video that you would like for me to share with you guys on my channel. Thank you so much, you guys, for your support and for supporting this channel and for supporting the Elegant Creators brand. And I really appreciate you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. I couldn't have done all of this without you guys. There was a lot of behind the scene work that went into putting those flowers together and making sure that you guys are getting the best quality flower as possible. That is something that I am very big on, as the type of flowers that I use for my flower arrangement, for my clients, for my DIYs. I'm very big on that. So definitely, if you guys love what I showed you guys today, please feel free to support the brand, the Elegant Creators brand, on Amazon. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. This backdrop I had put together for the bride and groom so they can capture a few beautiful pictures after the ceremony. I do have a video on my channel on how you can put this backdrop together. This is the finishing design of the flower balls. I designed 8 of these beautiful flower balls, and I really love the dusty rose and the dusty blue color combo. Those two colors look absolutely beautiful together. Comment your thoughts below and let me know what you guys think. this beautiful glass lighted crystal chandelier, we did have to use a heavy duty zip tie to hang it from the circle backdrop. It was not a cordless chandelier. It did come with a cord, so what we did is also use zip ties to tie it on the back of the circle backdrop so that it could appear as if it was cordless.